Hello everyone, and then welcome to another video. Okay, so in this video we'll be trying to solve phases. Okay, adding and subtracting phases as sinusoidal quantities. Okay, so I promise to teach you how to do the same or go by the same approach within 60 seconds. Okay, so that's what we are about to find out. Okay, so in case you are new to this channel, I would urge you to kindly subscribe, hit on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any uploaded video, and then you like the video so that it gets pushed to other students who might need this video to help with their academics. Okay, and then you ask any question you would want to know about this in the comment section, and then I will reply to them as soon as possible. Okay, so without much ado, let's dive right into this video. So now you've been given v of t, okay, to be 60 sine wt, and then v2 of t to be 80 sine wt minus 90. Okay, so now this is how you solve this question, okay, by not going through the normal approach, yes, by not finding the modulus and argument and all that. Okay, so first you pick up your calculator, lay everything out, and then this is what 60. Okay, so we have, first let's put this calculator in the complex mode. Okay, put this calculator in the complex mode, and then you first punch this one. Okay, so we have 60. Okay, so you don't have any angle over here, so plus what we have 80, and we click on shift, and then you click on this. Okay, click on shift and click on that, and then you punch what minus 90. Okay, minus 90. Okay, so we will end up with what 60 minus 80i. Okay, so for 60 minus 80i, after getting this, you have to convert it into what modulus and argument. Okay, so you click on shift, complex, and then you click on what 3, and we click on what equal to sign. So once you do that, you notice that you end up with what the exact answer. Okay, right, you click on that, you end up with the exact answer. So in order to put them in modulus and argument, you can also click on what S to D. Okay, so that you will just put the answer in this format. Okay, so let's check the exact answer for question v1 plus v2. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so you could notice that we had what 100 sine wt minus 53 what degrees. Okay, so the same thing is over here. Okay, there's 100, and then what angle of minus 53 degrees. Okay, right, so after that you just write it in this format. Okay, so we just write it in this format: 100 sine omega t minus what 53 degrees. Now let's try solving for b. Okay, right, so for b the same thing applies. Okay, that's v1 minus v2. Okay, so let's try solving that. You could notice that this is quite straightforward and what's very simple. Okay, you could do this in less than 60 seconds. Okay, so we have what v1. Okay, so we have what 60. Okay, and then what minus what 80, and then you choose an angle. Okay, and then what minus 90. Okay, right, so when you do that, you get what 60 plus 80i. So the same principle, you click on shift, click on the complex, that's 2, you change that to what argument modulus, that's 3. Okay, and then you click on answer. Okay, so you end up with what 153, 100 with what angle of 53. So the same thing applies over here. So we could notice that we had what 100 sine wt plus 53 degrees. Okay, so the same thing applies over here, 100 and then what 53 degrees. Now let's move on to the next question. Okay, we're solving this question. Okay, we're trying to find what I4. Okay, so let's do that. Right, so this is the trick you need to know. Okay, so I'm teach you this approach so that in case you meet this question or similar question in an MCQ or multiple choice question, you'll be able to solve it as quick as possible. Okay, we are trying to beat time. Okay, right? So that's the main purpose of these tricks. Okay, we are trying to beat time. Okay, so now let's find what I4. Okay, so first we will be solving for frequencies of the same or adding for the same frequencies, and then after that we do for what 3WT. So we first do for WT and then we do that for what 3WT. So let's start with that. Okay, so we have what 5. Okay, we have no angle over here, so we add that to what 8. Okay, and then angle of pi on 3 is what 60 degrees. Okay, 60 degrees. Okay, and then we add that to what 15 sine what we have what minus 45 degrees. So we have 15. Okay, and then we have minus what 45 degrees. Okay, right, so this will give us what this is what we'll get. Okay, this is the answer we'll get. Okay, right, so we now convert this, okay, into the what modulus and argument. Okay, so we'll click on 3. Right, so we get this. So this is our what answer. Okay, so this is what 19.95. okay, or 948 or 949. okay, depending on the number of decimal places you want. Okay, 19.949, and then you have angle of what minus 10.626 or 63 degrees. Okay, so let's verify the answer from here. Okay, let's verify that answer. Right, so you can notice that it's the same thing over here. So we have what 19.949 sine WT minus 10.62. the same thing applies over here. So 19.949, okay, sine of what WT minus 10.63 or 626. okay, right, so you can do same for the second portion of what the question, and then you arrive at the exact answer. Okay, well, thanks a lot for staying with me till the end of this video. Kindly subscribe, hit on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any uploaded video, and then I will see you in the next video.